Welcome back to Just Love Cooking, and today I got Pinakbet for you guys. So we have here some squash, eggplant, bitter melon, okra, and loin pork. Alright, let's get started. So medium high heat, 2 tablespoons of oil. Put in your meat and pretty much cook it until it is no longer pink. So mix it around and cook it for about 5 minutes. Add the onions and garlic. So mix that around and let it sweat out for a little bit. So from here you want to add your bitter melon. So mix that around, and then we are going to add our eggplant. So keep mixing, and we are going to add our water. So we got 5 cups of water. If that's not enough, just make sure everything is submerged. So we have here 2 tablespoons of shrimp paste, and just mix that around. And we are gonna make sure this is all covered and let it cook down for about 15 minutes. Alright, so we are going to add our squash. So make sure that's all stirred and coated. And we are pretty much ready to let this sit. So we're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes covered. Add a little bit of pepper and a touch of salt, and we're good to go. All right, check this out. After 15 minutes, all the veggies are a little soft, and we are going to add our okra. So we're almost done here now. So we're just gonna soften the okra, make sure it's submerged in our broth. And we are going to recover this for about 10 minutes. And we're good to go. And boom, we're done. Check that out. So you want to make sure to taste the broth. And if it's a little too bland for you, just add a little bit more salt. And if not, you can add a little bit more shrimp paste as well. So it's totally up to you. Make sure to like, leave a message, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.